I don't know.
It's getting
like a military chopper.
It started and then it stopped and then it started again.
It's not a chopper. We heard an airplane. It's not a chopper.
It sounds like a train, but
That's what's making me think tornado.
That's why we're watching. Because it's gotten louder.
I've heard reports of this happening in different parts of the U.S. though, where there's just random roaring noise coming from the sky and nobody really ever knew what it was.
And the clouds are clearing up.
I mean, it was shaking the house.
I know. It was.
And I've been watching the clouds. They've been clearing up fast.
Whatever it is, it's there in that direction.